Hello guys, good morning sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, all over the world. This is Norma's Vlog guys. Dito po ako sa San Jose Romualdez Airport, Mystic Airport. Ayan, nagbo-boarding na po ay group 1. Ganito pala dito, may pag group 1 sila. Ito ang airport ng
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're calling all remaining passengers. Calling all remaining passengers of AirAsia on flight Z2321 bound for Manila. Kindly check in now to avoid cancellation of your reserved seats. Once again, we're calling all remaining passengers.
Ayan, ang hirap lang. Sasakyan ng this area. Guys, nandito na ako sa loob ng aeroplano. Bye-bye, Tacloban.
Together, tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the heating devices is prohibited by Philippine law. This refers to all gadgets powered by a lithium battery or charger.
Bye-bye na Tacloban, Romualdez. Mukhang Manila na kami. Ang ganda na ng kanilang ano. Ang ganda na ng arrival ng Manila. Transfer from Tacloban domestic. Ayan, maganda na ang ano nila. Welcome Manila na kami. Welcome Manila. Arrival. Transfer. Ito na po kami. Mag-arrival na. Transfer doon. Laki nga ng airport ng ano ganito no. Parang ano na. Parang naku, magano pa pala ako ng OEC. Ay. Sabi. Yeah. Ayan o. Yeah. Welcome Manila na. Welcome Manila. Welcome Manila. Ganito na ang Manila. Lakad. Dito na tayo sa third floor daw. Jollibee. Walking lang. Oh. Pa naman ako sa dito na nga ayan, third floor share muna tayo. Nandito na po ako sa loob ng airport waiting for boarding. Ayan, sa loob nito ng airport. So, nakadamang ng pera. Dito na. Dito kami sa gate 104. Pasalubong kayo dyan. Money exchange. Last technology. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa 1.4. Ayan. Wala, malabo. Ayan, dito na po ako sa loob ng airport. Boarding na po. Mag-waiting. Ay, ako po si Norma's Vlog. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan ang aking small YouTube. Hindi pa po ako nakapag-upload. Aroy, Diyos ko po, Lord. Guys. Dito tayo sa gate 104. 104 daw. Waiting for the boarding. Ayan, guys.
The seatbelt sign is switched off. For your
All passengers departing and entering the Philippines are mandated to register in the e-travel system not later than 72 hours from the scheduled time of departure or arrival. Passengers may access the online portal at etravel.gov.ph to facilitate a smooth immigration process. Thank you. Once again, we will be dimming the cabin lights. For guests reading or eating, you may switch on your individual reading lights and with the passenger service unit above you. Thank you.
Pag malapitan, may susunod.
Once again, we are about to land. May we request all
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Hong Kong International Airport in Hong Kong. Local time now,
is 36 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon. And for your information, there is no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Hong Kong. Ground temperature is at 29 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Welcome back, Hong Kong. Sasakay na kami ng bus. Bus.
Attention please. Passengers are reminded not to leave your belongings unattended. Please stand clear of train door and please follow the handrail during the whole journey.
请勿靠近车门并且沿途紧握扶手。请稳靠。
Please follow the handrail during the whole journey.
请沿途紧握扶手。
Passengers, please alight here. Thank you for traveling with us.
列车已到达终点站，请所有乘客下车。谢谢。
請所有乘客落車。
Please exit from the train.
Clean talaga. Dito na kami. Mag-reclaim na kami namin. Welcome Hong Kong na. Hong Kong na. Goes is right. Immigration.
You're not working here, OFW?
Working.
Yeah, get this one. If you any problem.
Oh, thank you. Immigration na. Patay na natin kay immigration na tayo. Ayan, dito na tayo sa luggage. Number 8. Ay, oo nga, ilalagay ko pala yung aking ano. Airport, Hong Kong. Welcome back, Norma. Ayan, dito naman tayo. Balik sa work. Alaga ng matanda. Airport na Hong Kong.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਫੋਨ ਮੈਂ